Hey everyone, Chef Petey back. It's mid-July, smack in the middle of summer. It's hot and humid here in Minnesota. The pandemic is still raging on with no end in sight. Now, I hope everyone is safe. A big shout out to all the healthcare workers and first responders out there. Thanks for all you do to keep us alive. Now, with the summer here, we have several farmers markets opening up, selling fresh fruits and vegetables. And I picked up some nice zucchini and mushrooms yesterday and thought that maybe I can share one of my zucchini stir-fry recipes with you. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it right away. I have lots of recipes coming. I've had several requests from my viewers for more vegetarian dishes, so today's recipe is tofu with zucchini and mushroom stir-fry. Now, for those not familiar with tofu, it is made with soy milk. It is also known as bean curd. It's low in calories, but it's a great source of protein, and it's high in calcium, iron, and magnesium if you're at all interested. So don't be afraid to try tofu. You might like it. Okay, let's get started. All right, ingredients we need today. I have 2 medium-sized zucchini. That's about 2.5 cups sliced. I have one cup of mushrooms sliced. A 1/4 cup of jumbo onions sliced. Or you can add more if you like. 1 teaspoon chopped fresh ginger. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper powder. And we're gonna do about 1/2 box of the firm tofu. Now there's different. There's some that are soft and some are extra firm. I like either the firm or the extra firm. It's a little bit easier to cook with. I'll show you how to prepare that. And we're gonna need 3/4 cup water or soup stock. And then of course we're gonna need 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And we're gonna mix it with water so that we can thicken the sauce with. Okay, let's prep the tofu. Okay, with the tofu, we just open that up. And it's packed with water usually. Yeah, dump out the water. And we're just gonna use 1/2 of this. Then we're gonna do something else with the tofu later. Now, I like to slice these real thin. Like so. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now, one more thing we gotta do is get a clean kitchen towel and what you're gonna do is you're gonna dry as much as you can the liquid that's from the tofu. Then it wouldn't splatter as much once you start deep frying it. Okay, now we're ready to deep fry. Okay, we got maybe about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil in here. It's just about hot. Just gonna deep fry it. The thing about tofu is it has very subtle flavor. It's almost bland. So it'll take on whatever flavor that you're gonna put in your dish. It just absorbs all that flavor. One of my favorite source of protein is the tofu. So we got the heat on high right now, and we're just gonna let it deep fry for a minute or two. Okay, that looks good. I'll turn off the fire. Just a light brown is all you need. Put it in a kitchen towel here. Soak up all the oil. Okay, I got the wok heated up. Add a little oil to it. First thing I'm going to do is we're going to put the onions in. I'm going to let it fry up for just about a minute or so. And now the ginger goes in, and the garlic. You want to stir it for just a little bit here. You want to release all the aromatics here. You know, infuse it into the oil. In goes the zucchini. Now zucchini takes a little bit longer to cook, so we're going to cook that first. You're going to put in your water. And cover it up, let it cook. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. Now you put the mushrooms in. We'll let that cook for a couple minutes. All right. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, now we're going to put the salt, sugar, sesame oil, white pepper powder, and oyster flavored sauce. And again, if you're a vegetarian, you don't need to do it. It'll still taste good. And just mix the cornstarch with a little bit of water. slowly pour it in. You don't want it too thick. Now, tofu at the end. And now last thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to put the hot chili pepper. This is the Thai chili pepper. It's very, very hot. But I took the seeds out. Okay, now we're done. Tofu with zucchini and mushroom stir fry. Okay, let's give it a try here. Let's try the tofu. That's good. Oh, it's got that spice. Woo! That pepper is hot. Look at that. Tofu is so good. Like ginger, garlic, all that flavors coming through. And then zucchini still got a little bit of a crunch. It's not overcooked. Oh. Okay. Hope you get a chance to try this. Please like and subscribe, and share. And I'd love to hear your comments. Okay. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.